Hey, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com. Today, I want to answer the question, why network marketing? But I'm also going to ask, why not? Before I get into that though, if you're brand new to this channel, go down and hit that subscribe button and then look for that little bell. When you hit that bell, you're going to get notifications from me whenever I put a video up, and I do videos that'll help you grow your business. So go click on that subscribe. So let's get back to this thing. Why would you want to do network marketing, and why you wouldn't want to do network marketing? See, network marketing is not for everybody. But I want to talk to you first, the first four that you should. Network marketing has allowed more people to quit their job, to replace their income, than any other industry out there. So that's a big plus. See, this is an unbiased opinion because I do know that this is for people and it's for not for people. But if you're looking to replace an income, then that's network marketing is the place to be. The second one, it's the fastest route to time and financial freedom. Now, I'm not saying it's a get-rich-quick business, because it's not. But if you do this right, it's the fastest route to gain your time freedom and your financial freedom. The third one, see, and this was huge. I got to read my notes of this thing. See, in network marketing, you don't have to create new products. And that's huge. Because most companies, or all companies, have a product for you to sell. They have the copyrights, have the patents, they've done all the packaging, all the advertising. You don't have to do that. You just have to go out, believe in the product that you're marketing, and sell that product. The fourth one is a thing called residual income. And residual income is income if you go to the beach on vacation, you're still getting your check. If you have a job, and I have nothing against jobs, that doesn't happen. Right? So residual income is key. So those are the top four reasons. Let me go through them again. It's allowed more people to replace their income and quit their jobs. It's the fastest route to time freedom and financial freedom. You don't have to develop your own products. And then residual income. Now let's talk about the should not. And there are some should nots. Right? And I'm going to go over four of them. One, it requires work. And I tell you what, I've been in this thing. It requires work, patience. And if you aren't a hard worker, then this isn't for you. Because there's so many people get into this. They're sold on this. Just sign up. I'll help you sign up your first 20 people. Blah, 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 blah. It doesn't work that way. You got to go to work. Right? And if you're not a hard worker, then I wouldn't be a network marketer. Self-motivated. You have to be self-motivated. Right? If you don't like to do things on your own, you don't know how to get yourself going today, excuse me, then you should be in network marketing. The third one is you really need to know the compensation plan. And I say this because I was in a company once, they changed it. Originally, I thought it was a great compensation plan. Then I wasn't paying attention, and they changed it, and I wasn't making any more money. Now I'm in an industry that I get 85% commission. 85%, that's unheard of. But I had to find that company, so know what the commission rate is for the products you're selling. And the fourth one, and this is huge. See, if you think you're going to develop your network marketing business the traditional way you're told, is to write down a list of 100 names and talk to those 100 people, and then the 3-foot rule, it's not going to make it that way. Now, you might make some money, but the only way really to build a network marketing list today, and most leaders won't tell you this, is to learn how to market online. Learn how to generate leads. Learn how to have people come to you looking for value so you can talk to them about what you have going on. As soon as they know, like, and trust you, that's how you start building a network marketing business. So once again, there are reasons for network marketing, and there are reasons why you should not network marketing, because it's not for everybody. I personally think it's the greatest industry in the world. Did I have to grow? You bet. Did I have to learn a lot of things? You bet. Did I have to become a self-motivator? Yes. Did I have to learn how to work hard? Yes. Did I have to learn how to generate leads online? Yes. And you know what? I can help you with every one of those things. I really can. Hey, I have a free PDF for you today called the 6 Daily Activities. And what it is, it's showing you what you should be doing every day. I actually have a checklist in there. See, and I had to develop that because I was not self-motivated. I wasn't very self-disciplined. So I developed a checklist of things I needed to do every day to make sure I was on track to build my business. That's going to be somewhere in the link in this video. Click on that link and let me help you build your business. You're going to have to do it, but I can help you along your journey. You all take care. Bye.